Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by getting the Quest 2 connected to your PC and Steam VR. First, link the headset via a USB-C cable or enable AirLink over a strong Wi-Fi network. This moves tracking and Steam VR to your PC. Next, install and open the Oculus PC app plus Steam and Steam VR so the runtime is active. Once done, power the index controllers and confirm the USB or wireless dongle is attached to the PC. Make sure Steam VR shows your headset before pairing controllers. Now you pair and configure the index controllers so tracking and inputs match the Quest 2 session. In Steam VR, go to Devices, then Pair Controller, select the index model, and follow LED prompts until Steam VR recognizes both units. Once paired, run room setup or recalibrate standing versus room scale so the playspace and floor height align. Then open Steam VR input to assign button mappings, toggle handedness, and tweak haptics. Doing this ensures the controllers behave as you expect across titles and avoids input mismatches. Finish by testing and final calibration so your gameplay is reliable. You should launch a simple Steam VR demo and verify each button, trigger, and haptic pulse works. Also walk the playspace to confirm tracking stability. If you see drift, recalibrate the floor height and reset origins. Making small positional adjustments often fixes offsets. If things go wrong, restart Steam VR and repair the controllers. Check controller batteries and the dongle's USB port, and make sure base stations or headset tracking conditions aren't blocked. This single restart resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.